In a softly lit nursery, Maya the curious 10-month-old wiggles in, an itchy nose promising a playful sneeze. She slips into a pastel onesie and taps a wobbling block tower, the room pausing in warm, cozy silence. A sneeze bursts, Maya tumbles gently, and she giggles, turning the tumble into a cheerful game. She spots a new pattern in the blocks, and under her breath, whispers the idiom "break a leg" with pride. As lullaby lights glow, Maya beams at the camera, savoring small wonders in a day of gentle adventures.